Hello again everybody, and welcome to another video. Welcome to Mike's Retro Tech. Not really retro video today, but a repair video. You know, bit of soldering, bit of breakage, bit of repair. What I've got is a few years ago I got for free a Bluetooth speaker, which looks very much like, not that way around, that way around, looks very much like, you can see that, looks like a jet engine. Tiny little Bluetooth speaker with a rubber case. Splash proof, waterproof, sort of like you take it with you as a little rubber strap that you put on your belt, and you can take it wherever you want to go, you know, supposedly nice and portable. Now, it does work quite well, or it did work quite well, until the USB power adapter started rattling around inside the unit, and as you can see, it came off the board completely. Yeah, there, should sit there, totally off the board, and there's no way of soldering it back on because it's too small. Let's see. Doesn't help if I don't drop it, does it? There, I think it's too small. So what I've bought from China is one of these. It's a USB power adapter, USB socket with a breakout board on, and we've got ground, D1, 0 volts, 5 volts, and then VCC. So I'm assuming that it goes that way, like that, replaces that there, but then sort of like goes like that and fits flush. And if that's the case, there's two little corners here that need to be taken off, which I will try and do now, and hopefully I won't break it any more than I need. There's no traces there. There's no traces there. Yeah, that looks right. So that now should fit flush. It's not going to fit totally flush because it's obviously it's the wrong way, isn't it? Now I'm just wondering whether I can get that. See, it's supposed to go that way. It's supposed to go can you see, like that? So that is supposed to fit in there. Oh, see, I can't even do it because it's just not going to work. It's not going to fit in, is it? It's supposed to go that way, like that, so you can see it in the hole. I don't know if you can see that. So it's supposed to fit like that. Now whether it will or not, I have no idea. These boards are quite good. They got battery connector, speaker connector, little buttons. Then on the other side there's the Bluetooth array and the antenna. It's quite a simple little receiver, but a pain in the so and so to get fixed. So normally it fits that way, because then I think that fits that way, like that. So the board goes in with that way. Not so sure. What I'll try and do is I'll have to work out which of these, which of these goes to there, because all the traces, you can see the traces have been erased off. They've actually been ripped off the motherboard, so there's no traces whatsoever anywhere. There's a couple for here, but I think these are where the traces go to anyway, so these pads there are the ones that I need to use. There's a pad this side, but I'm not sure what that's for, so I'm just going to try and have a look under the microscope, under the magnifying glass, and we'll see where it needs to go to.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I think I've worked out what goes on. The two sockets here are connected together and they attach to this pad here. The next pad along attaches to this pad. The next one along again goes to that one, and then the last one connects here somewhere. Now the problem I've got with that is that that's the VCC, so that's the voltage controller, and I really am not sure where that goes to, because I can't see it on this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tin this now, and hopefully we're on the road to getting it fixed. I don't know how much flux is left in my pen. Let's see if I can't. So I think those two were connected together. Right. Where's my tip cleaner? My tip cleaner is there. Clean my tip. Right. And let me have a quick look at this and see where I'm got to. Okay, so off camera, if I can turn that light off. Can you see that? Possibly not so well. Off camera, because it's so fiddly, I have connected all the cables, so black, blue, red and yellow, and now I'm going to try and get those on the actual motherboard to see whether or not I can get this working. Again, off camera because it's very fiddly, and I will come back in a few minutes and let you know exactly how I've got on.
A few moments later.
Right, the fiddly bits are out of the way now. As you can see, I think I've got the USB power on, and the speaker back on, and the battery. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to try and plug it in to a USB power and see what happens. This could well be very interesting and very not worky. So if I plug this into my PC, yeah, and then plug that into there, nothing. So the power this one is obviously connected to the wrong socket on the board here. So I'm going to have to try again and see what happens. Okay, so a quick update. I've fiddled around with it. I connected the battery to the charger, the power to the input, nothing. I tried the charger port to the battery port and it powered on for a while, but I think it might have been over voltage because there's 5 volts coming from the USB and it expects 3.7 volts from the battery. So the upshot is now, I think I've killed the board. It no longer powers on. Before it powered on and I could see it on the Bluetooth list, but now nothing turns on whatsoever. So I think it's dead. Yeah, not much I can say really. It's very fiddly. I think I may have shorted something here because there was no identifiable connection for one of the tracks, which was the VCC, which was the plus, the power. So as that comes in here, it's probably shorted something. This has certainly over voltaged it, and it's probably this that's killed it. It ran for a while, but then it just gave up. So because I couldn't see what was on here, on this side, it's just blown up. So I mean, I got it for free anyway. I got the speaker when I upgraded about 4 or 5 years ago to Virgin Media. It was a special buy the Virgin Media at one of these shows, get it installed in your house, get loads off, get a free Bluetooth speaker. So I've not really lost anything. It's a shame because it was a nice little compact unit. But what I can do is probably use this as a speaker housing with this for an unpowered speaker, and then get it connected externally. Maybe put an input in it. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But anyway, I'm going to take this apart and use it as spares. Bit of a pants video for you really, but one of those things. Sometimes the stuff that I do works, sometimes the stuff that I do doesn't work. And today is one of those non-working videos. Thanks for watching. Hopefully the next video will be a bit better and it will be more of a success. But don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon so you get notifications of when I release more videos, whether they are fail or success. Leave a like, a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Or don't. It's entirely up to you. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.